If you're a vlogger and you want to enhance your vlog videos, or you're starting a new vlog channel, a vlog kit for your smartphone like this one from MOVO will help you a lot, and it will make your life easier. This is a MOVO iVlogger Pro Kit, and in this video I'm gonna show you what comes in its box, and also I'm gonna show you how to assemble it, and of course I'll be reviewing it for you, and at the end I'm gonna tell you what I like and what I don't like about it. So let me start first by showing you what comes in its box. Let's open the box. Everything you need is in this kit, and it is well protected. You have some documentation, the cradle for your smartphone, the neck for the tripod, this is the grip for the tripod, and this is the tripod. This is the VXR10 MOVO shotgun microphone, the foam protection for the microphone, the furry windshield also for the microphone, the shock mount for the microphone, a movable neck also for the tripod, a light, and this is a shoe mount extender. This is a Bluetooth remote control, and this is a strap for the tripod. This is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable for the light, and this one here is a lightning adapter for older iPhones, and this is a TRS to TRS cable, 3.5 millimeter, TRRS cable to TRS cable, and this is USB-C also to TRS connection for your Android phone or for newer iPhones, and a hard shell case to put everything in. So let me show you how to assemble everything. This is the base of the tripod. You need first to put the neck on the base here like this and just screw it in tightly. And the second thing is that you need to put the grip here on the neck. And of course, if you want it like shorter, you can also put the grip directly here. I mean, it has many settings that you can do for this tripod. And this is here the moving neck. So you put it here also, and then you screw it to the grip. And then you put the cradle for your phone. See how it is now assembled. And you have the cold shoe mount here if you want. So you put it on the top, and then you screw it like this, and you put the microphone and the shock mount here like this. You just push it in, it will go in place, and then just put it here, slide it in, also tighten it, and you have the light. You put it from the other side. Let me show you now the specifics of this tripod, and it has some nice specifics. So let me start with the base of the tripod. You see this here, it has a setting that is wide. So this way the tripod has wide legs. And if you don't want it wide, you just turn it to the right. And this way the tripod legs lock in this position that is narrower than this position. The second thing is that the neck is extensible. So the neck extends like this, and if you want to lock it in place, simply turn this counterclockwise and it is locked in place. And the grip, it has a soft rubber so that to hold it tightly. And this is the moving neck. You can move it like this, of course, and then you lock it in place. And here it has a leveler, so a leveler for horizontal shooting. And if you want to shoot vertically, you simply turn the cradle like this, and this is a lever for vertical shooting. And also for the cradle, you can tighten it like this. And also on the cradle, you have two 1/4 threads if you want to install something else. So it is multifunctional, and it is all mainly made of metal, and it is of a very good construction. To pair the remote control with Bluetooth to your smartphone, turn the remote control on first with this button here, and then go to Bluetooth on your smartphone. So it is the Strim BT-N10. Select it, and it will be connected. And now you can use it to start your video shooting and to stop the video shooting or to take photos. Let me show you now how to operate the light. It has a wheel here and another one here. This one here is to turn it on and to adjust the settings. So one press inside, it will turn on. So keep your finger pressed for about 5 seconds. And now it is on. And you see here you have the Kelvin and the brightness. So to change the Kelvin, if it is selected, simply with the wheel here, go down or go up. It can go down up to 2500 and it go up to 9000. Now, if you want to change the brightness, you need to go to the 100% here. So with this wheel here, you go like this, and then you change the intensity like you want. Now this wheel here also, it is the mode. So this is the white lighting here, and this one, it will go to RGB. So you see the M here, so press it once, it will go to RGB, and here you can change the RGB colors. It has all the colors you want, and if you press it once again, it will go also to RGB, but this time also you can change the Kelvin in the RGBs. So here you go and you find the setting you want. And also to turn it off, of course, you press and hold this button for 5 seconds. I don't like these buttons too much here, the on-off. It is a little bit flimsy. And to charge it, you have the USB-C port on the top. I tested the battery life, and you can use it for up to 1 hour at full brightness. Let me show you now how to install the phone here and how to connect it to the microphone. So here I have my iPhone Pro 12 Max. It is a little bit wide. You have a wheel on the back of the phone holder. Just widen it enough so that your phone can go in. Put it inside and then tighten the wheel on your phone. Of course, be careful not to push the buttons of your phone, and make sure that the buttons are free here. And then, because this phone has a lightning port, I'm gonna put the lightning adapter, and in the lightning adapter, I'm gonna put the TRRS cable in it here, and put the lightning adapter in the iPhone, and then connect the other end of the TRRS cable, which is a TRS end, in the microphone here. And now let's go and test this kit. Here I am on my balcony in this crazy weather, and there are a little bit of noises outside, and I'm doing this test so that for you to hear the difference between the MOVO shotgun microphone, which is the VXR10, and the internal microphone of my iPhone. So I'm gonna now disconnect the MOVO microphone so for you to hear the difference. So this is now the sound coming from the iPhone. And I have the light on also. So even if I'm filming against the light of this kit will help keep your face in exposure. I'm gonna reconnect the microphone because I know that the sound is not very good with the iPhone. Connected the microphone. I'm gonna turn off the light so also for you to see the difference between the light on and the light off. And you see when I turned off the light, the exposure is not ideal like it was before. And now I'm walking in the house and I'm entering my studio. And this is also to show you the lighting, how it adapts and how it helps also keep me exposed, and how the microphone also works inside the studio and in a quiet environment. So after trying this iVlogger kit from MOVO for a couple of days, I find that it offers a very good value and it will help you start your vlog, so it has everything you need. What I like particularly about it is that it is of a very good construction. It is all metal, and also what I like about it is that it has different configurations and it comes with everything you need. So it has this good microphone and also it has this light. Now what I don't like about it are only two things. First thing is that the light has a flimsy control for the on-off, and the second thing is that the neck that holds it here needs to be really tight so that the phone don't fall like this. So you need to really tighten it here very good, otherwise the phone will go in all the directions. Now if you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage, and this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.